Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
This small electric space heater delivers quick, efficient warmth with PTC ceramic technology. Perfect for home offices and dorms, it heats up in seconds, providing tailored comfort with its adjustable thermostat. Safety features like overheat protection and a tip-over switch ensure peace of mind. Compact and fully assembled, it's an efficient heating solution without the bulk.
Product 2.
I used to dread blending tasks in my kitchen until I tried the Oventi HS560 handheld immersion blender. With its 300-watt motor and adjustable speeds, it makes everything from smoothies to pureed baby food a breeze. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while its compact size fits right into my busy kitchen. Cleaning is simply hassle-free.
Product 3.
So, you know how microwaving can get messy? I found this 2-in-1 mat and cover. It's genius. It's a splatter guard and handy mat for hot bowls. Grab and go, no burns. Plus, it doubles as a trivet or utensil rest. And yeah, it's perfect for quick kitchen cleanup. Intrigued? Order yours now.
Product 4.
I was skeptical about yet another kitchen gadget, but the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill completely changed my meal prep. No more juggling pans or adjusting temperatures, just perfect doneness every time. Searing, air frying, even bread baking, it's a breeze. And with up to 75% less fat, I love knowing our family meals are healthier. Discover cooking redefined and get yours today.
Product 5.
Are messy spills and cumbersome trash cans a daily hassle in your home? Introducing the Pucom Smart Sensor Wastebasket, it's changed how I handle waste. With its motion sensor lid, opening becomes effortless, ideal for those sticky kitchen moments. Its sleek Nordic design complements any space, be it the bathroom, kitchen, or office. Clean and efficient waste management is truly achievable without sacrificing style or convenience.
Product 6.
I've always struggled to get that authentic tortilla texture at home. Store-bought ones just don't cut it. That changed with the Victoria cast iron tortilla press. It's so easy to use, durable, and delivers restaurant-quality tortillas every time. Made in Colombia with care, it's truly made my homemade meals unforgettable. Bring quality into your kitchen today. Experience it for yourself.